we will read the rest of the chapter 7, that is Photoshop, an introduction. And in the last class I was talking about all. This class we will simply talk about the selection tool and the pen tool. Okay. Selection tools, students, we actually work with tools in case of Photoshop. The various tools are there in the Photoshop. Okay. Some of them we are going to read today. They are in Photoshop. The Marquee selection tool allows you to select the region in your image to alter, to copy, to move, and apply the filters. And these tools are accessible in the following manners. First one tool is, students, that is rectangular marquee tool. Okay, and this is the default selection setting. You can make a selection of any rectangular size or the shape. That is the by default. Okay. Next one is elliptical marquee tool. It allows you to insert the elliptical shape. You know, elliptical shape is like this. You must have seen the shape of egg, right? That is called elliptical. So this tool allows a value when you click and hold down the selection tool region in the toolbar. It is used to select the elliptical space. To select a round area, hold the shift key and clicking it and then drag it to make it circular. Third one is single row marquee tool. Single row marquee tool will select a 1 pixel region that is as wide as your image. 1 pixel. Okay, that is as wide as your image, and this is very useful for trimming edges and making the straight lines. Trimming edges and making the straight lines. Single column marquee tools. The tool will select an 1 pixel region that is as tall as your image is. Means how much tall it is, your image. Okay, and this is also very useful for trimming the edges and making the straight line. This is all about the marquee tools. Next we will move to the move tools. The move tool moves the entire layer at a time. When you have selected this tool, click on the layer in the layer pane and then click and drag onto the image. There the current layer will move at all at once, and you can even move it outside of the image size. Next come to the lasso tool. About the lasso tools we have already read in the previous standard that these tools are similar to the marquee tool, except that lasso tools give an ultimate freedom in the terms of shape of your selections, right? So there are 3 types of lasso tools in this Adobe Photoshop. First one is lasso tools, that normally it allows you to drag a selection by dragging the cursor freehand and selection will close yourself. Polygonal lasso tools is, it creates a selection compressed polygon with straight lines that can be sorted as 1 pixel, and the selection grows with each additional click. Last one is magnetic lasso tools, and this magnetic lasso tool work with the lines or little like a combination of the other 2 lasso tools. Okay, and this tool specially helps in selecting the pixels around the edges and of the particular images, right? With a new background, smooth region, faded edges, okay, with finishing characters. Next one says the magic wand tools. The magic wand tool is similar to the magnetic lasso tools, except that rather than dragging to make a selection, you click in the region and a selection appears around the similar color pixels. You can control how similar pixel will be included in the selections by altering the tolerance value, and this tool is useful selecting the monochromatic regions or pieces of high contrast images. Monochromatic regions मतलब means that is the single regions, okay, with one pixel. This is all about the selection tools. And in case of pen tool, we will see here pen tool, okay. Pen tool is used for what? In the Photoshop, Paint provides you the several tools for paintings and editing the images color, and brush tool and the pencil tool work like a traditional draw tool applying colors with brush strokes. So you can control the how similar pixels will be included in the selections by altering the tolerance value. And this tool is always used. Sorry, that is a different thing. Several tools for painting and editing the images. So brush tool and the pencil tool work like a traditional drawing tool applying colors with the brush strokes, and tools like the eraser tools, blur tools, okay, sometimes we need a blur images also, smudge tools, they modify the existing color in the images. And in the options bar for each of these painting tools you can set how color is applied to an image and choose from the present brush tips, etc. So let us learn one by one. First one is paint bucket tool. Okay, paint bucket tool, you must have heard about this paint bucket tool. This tool is one of the most frequently used tools in the photoshopping. It fills the color with the selected area with the color and is often used to create the background. So it is also one of the most straightforward tools in the Photoshop and is relatively simple to use in the most cases. How to use? To use this, right click on the paint tools and click on the paint bucket tools. Now set your background and foreground color. Click on the workspace, you will see your desired colors. Okay. Another one is student, that is gradient tool. Gradient tools. This is more complicated than the paint bucket tool. It works by having one color of fill fade into the other colors. How to use the gradient tool? To use the gradient tool, right click on the paint tools and then there below the paint bucket tool you can select the gradient tools. Okay. Various options related to the gradient tools will be displayed in the option bar, and from there you can choose your desired style. Then move the pointer toward the workspace, or you can drag it out to the workspace. Then the selected gradient will be applied there. And last but not least, saying, having been familiar with the Adobe Photoshop interface, tools of the Photoshop picture, Photoshop in this chapter, we will discuss in the Photoshop in the next chapter that how we will use it with the using of tools and what techniques are used to do the particular functions or the particular actions with using the particular tools. Okay, this is all about the chapter 7 Photoshops with introduction, and the question answer will be sent soon. For the time, you see the videos and give one subscribe to the channel. Okay.